So yung guys, we're in a fucking chart guys. Quick demonstration now for a good setup, okay? So now as you can see here, okay, am I logging or no? Yeah. So as you can see here in daily, at previous day kahapon, we are in a fair value gap daily, no? Okay, it was good. After daily fair value gap respected and respect niya and go down within 4 hours. 4 hour hit this buy side liquidity with plus fair value gap, and then after that we market go low, back siya nag low to target imbalances, and as you can see kinarget itong discount here and the price start to go higher. So you can see here, for our got disrespected guys. That's why my bias is high for that at 1 hour. It's really something good. 1 hour. So then we start Tuesday. I'm not trading at my time right now. Just I open my laptop and there it is. Our strategy is here, and as you can see, we have higher high, higher low, higher low, targeting the discount of these imbalances. And after that, we look for 30 minutes. We swept action low. Okay, and this really looking good guys, kasi we have PO3, power of 3, accumulation, ni isa, basta yan, accumulation, up, and bulge and distribution guys. Really good. 2 minutes na, 2 minutes. Okay, mag-practice ako next time na mabilis lang. So after that, we have then nasa inside tayo. For hour, we have higher probabilities. 1 hour, higher probabilities din. Tapos 30 minutes, higher probabilities din. And now, 13 minutes. This is our time, right? After this is dito ako mga bandang 4:30. I start opening the laptop and I see this going down at discount. After going down discount, syempre naghanap pa tayo ng inside model ulit like this. We hit intermediate low, creating our sell side, and as you can see the market is still, yeah. Let's see if we have any. I'm still trusting this one that it will go higher because of this liquidity sweep, change of delivery something, and it go down again at our equilibrium and it goes higher. The entry here is this inverse fair value gap right here, and my stop loss is here. So yun lang guys, and wait nyo na lang mamaya. Bye!